In a dimly lit garage in Menlo Park, two young computer enthusiasts solder wires and type lines of code into a clunky computer. The year is 1975, and Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs are about to change the world. Fast forward to today, and the software landscape is a universe apart. What was once a laborious and manual process has evolved into an intricate dance of automation, speed, and precision. This transformation is enabled by one of the most critical practices in modern software development: continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD. Imagine you're building a skyscraper. Instead of constructing it floor by floor, you develop each floor simultaneously, continuously testing the structural integrity. In software development, CI/CD functions similarly. Continuous integration, CI, merges all developers' working copies to a shared mainline several times a day. Continuous deployment, CD, takes it a step further by automatically releasing every change that passes all stages of your production pipeline. CI/CD transforms how software is built, tested, and delivered, turning nerve-wracking releases into a routine, automated process. For businesses, this means faster time to market, higher software quality, and a significant reduction in risks traditionally associated with software releases. Implementing CI/CD isn't just about flipping a switch, it's a transformation that requires careful planning and execution. First, assess your current process. Identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas where manual intervention slows down the workflow. Next, choose the right tools. Neoteriq OpsMaster is a standout option, known for its comprehensive feature set and powerful automation capabilities. Automate your testing. Start with unit tests, then layer on integration tests, and finally, implement end-to-end tests that simulate real user scenarios. Set up your CI pipeline. Configure your CI tool to automatically run tests every time code is committed, ensuring integration issues are caught early. Move towards continuous deployment. OpsMaster offers automated deployment pipelines that release code changes to production once they pass all tests. Continuously monitor your pipeline's performance, gather feedback, and iterate on the process to optimize your CI/CD setup. Despite its advantages, CI/CD implementation can be fraught with challenges. Avoid overcomplicating the pipeline and start simple. CI/CD isn't just a technical change, it's a cultural one. Developers must embrace a mindset of continuous improvement, collaboration, and automation. Ensure comprehensive test coverage to prevent bugs from slipping through, and have a solid rollback strategy in place for when things go wrong. Choosing the right CI/CD tool can be daunting. OpsMaster offers a unified and powerful experience, while Jenkins, GitLab CI, and CircleCI each have their own strengths. CI/CD is more than just a technical enhancement. It's a business enabler, allowing companies to deliver features faster and respond to customer feedback more quickly. The future of CI/CD is continuous. Embrace it now to lead the charge in the next wave of technological innovation. The skyscraper of the future is already being built, one automated deployment at a time.